Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to Mathematics Simplified. Today we'll be looking at some questions from NAPTEP, WAEC, NECO, GCE, and other past questions. The first question here says, the volume of a cylinder of radius 3 cm and height 8 cm is, okay, so first, our formula for volume is given as pi r squared h. Okay, now this would be what? Our pi is 22/7 times 3 times 3 times h, which is 8. So this gives us 22 That gives us 22 times 9 times 8. That will give us 1584/7 cm cubed. So if we break it down, divided by 7, that gives us about 226.3 cm cubed. Okay, that will give us the volume of our cylinder. Okay, now the next question there says the area of a circle is of 14 cm is what? Now our area of circle is given as pi r squared. All right, that's for area of circle, which is 22/7 times r, 14 times 14/1, 7 here 1, 7 here 2. So this gives us 44 times 14. Okay, so 44 times 14 will give us 616 centimeter squared as our area. And the third one says evaluate log 0.001 base 10. Okay, so we have 0.001. all right, rewriting it to be 1, 2, 3 will be 1.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so this is like saying log 10 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so this becomes log 1 times 10 minus 3 log 10. All right, so this becomes log 10 is 1, so this becomes minus 3 times 1, which gives us minus 3. So our value for that will become minus 3. Next question says solve 4x minus 7 is greater than or equals to 9. Now, this is an inequality question. So for us to solve 4x minus 7 is greater than or equals to 9. Now, we'll move 7 over to this side, giving us 4x is greater than or equals to 9 plus 7. So our 4x is greater than or equals to 9 plus 7 will give us 16. So x is greater than or equals to 16/4. X is greater than or equals to 4. So our x will be greater than or equals to 4. Okay, so the next one says evaluate 5/6 minus 1/3. So in order to evaluate this, we would first of all find our LCM. Our LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. So 6 into 6 is 1 times 5 minus 3 into 6, 2. 2 times 1, 2. So this gives us 5 minus 2 is 3/6. So its lowest term will be 1/2. So 5/6 minus 1/3 would give us 1/2. Okay, and next question here says find the equation of the line with slope 2 passing points 3 and 5. Okay, now for us to solve this, we'll be using the formula y minus y1 equals n bracket x minus x1. Now in this case, this is our x1 and this is our y1. So this becomes y minus 5 equals n is our slope, 2 bracket x minus 3. Okay, so here we'll now open up as y minus 5 equals 2x minus 6. Okay, so collecting our like terms, y, making y a subject of formula, this goes over, will become y equals 2x minus 6 plus 5. Okay, so y equals 2x minus 1. So this forms the line equation of the line. A cylinder has a volume of 154 cm cube and a diameter of 7 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Now we know that our volume for cylinder is pi r squared h. Okay, now in this case we are given volume as 154 cm. Okay, 154 cm cube equals pi is 22 over 7 times. Now our radius, instead of radius we are giving diameter, and we know that radius is diameter over 2. So we cannot say this to be 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. Okay, since we are using radius times our h. Okay, so here we can cancel out 7 and cancel out this to give us 11. So we have 154 equals 77h over 2. Alright, so cross multiply, we have 154 times 2 equals 77h. Alright, so 154 times 2 would be 154 times 2 gives us 308 equals 77h. So h equals 308 over 77, okay, which gives us 4 cm. So the height of the cylinder would be 4 centimeters. Okay, now to the next question there, it says make L the subject of formula in pi RL plus pi r squared equals to A. So all you are asked to do is make L to stand alone. Okay, so now at this point, let's start with moving our terms over to this side, or we can still collect like terms. So if we collect like terms here, this becomes pi r bracket L plus r equals A. Okay, so from here we can now see, this makes it easier, we can now see that this will become what? A over pi r equals L plus r. Okay, so this becomes L equals A over pi r plus r would be our formula. Or we can say, we can also do it in other way of moving this over here. This becomes A minus pi r squared equals pi r L. Okay, now since this is dividing, or is multiplying rather, so we divide this all through, our L will become what? A minus pi r squared over pi r. Okay, but now remember that this is dividing both of them. We can have it as L equals A over pi r minus pi r squared. So this should be minus, plus going over will become minus pi r squared over pi r. So this will cancel this, leaving us with A over pi r minus r, which gives us same answer as above. Okay, next will be our final question for today's tutorial is that the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 cm. If the breadth of the rectangle is 2 cm, Now we should find our area. Now we know that for perimeter, we have it as 2L plus 2B, all right, to form our perimeter. Remember your rectangle, length, breadth, okay? So our 2L plus 2B will give us our perimeter. And in this case, we are told that perimeter is 20, all right? We do not know what our length is, plus 2 times 2, which is our breadth, all right? So this gives us 2 times 2 is what? 4. So this gives us 20 equals 2L plus 4. So 2L will be 20 minus 4, which is 16. So L equals 16 over 2, which is 8. So our L is what? 8 centimeter. Now, knowing that our length is 8 centimeter and area equals to length times breadth, so that will become 8 times 2, which is 16 cm squared. So the area of our rectangle will be 16 cm squared. Alright guys, with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If there will be any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on your notification buttons for more updates, and share those links with your friends if you've enjoyed our lecture thus far. Thank you for staying with us. See you in our next class.